Imagine for a moment a cosmic doorway.
A rift in the fabric of space-time, not unlike a wormhole connecting distant galaxies. Instead, it leads right to our time, the year 2025. Through this gateway step, figures whose names echo through the halls of history. They arrive not as ghosts or legends, but as curious minds, blinking in the glow of a world absolutely saturated with information and powered by an intelligence not born of flesh and blood. What would they make of this strange new magic? How would it reshape their legacies and their understanding of the universe itself? So consider three such voyagers from the past: Galileo Galilei, Cleopatra VII, and Leonardo da Vinci. Galileo Galilei was a man driven by one powerful impulse to see the universe for what it truly is. He didn't just accept the ancient texts. He built a telescope and looked for himself. He saw the craters on the moon. He saw the phases of Venus. He saw the moons orbiting Jupiter. These were not just observations, they were cosmic truths. They shook the foundations of human understanding. They placed him in direct conflict with the powers of his time. He was a rebel of reason, a pioneer who chose evidence over dogma. Now imagine handing Galileo an iPad streaming James Webb data. The awe would be palpable. A single device with more cosmic data than all astronomers before him. No waiting for clear nights. He could task an AI to sift petabytes of data. He might worry about the black box nature of algorithms. He would marvel at a global network of minds, but chafe at bureaucracy. Social platforms could let him reach millions, and yet amplify misinformation. Cleopatra VII was far more than the romantic figure often portrayed in fiction. She was a formidable intellectual, a shrewd political operator. In a world dominated by Roman men, she held the throne of Egypt, one of the wealthiest kingdoms. Her power was not just inherited. Masterful diplomacy and economic savvy were her tools. Now place this brilliant strategist in the 21st century, Cleopatra, at the head of a modern nation. She would immediately recognize AI as the ultimate tool of statecraft. Deploy sophisticated algorithms to manage Egypt's economy, optimize agricultural output using climate models and satellite imagery. Use predictive analytics to forecast global market trends and diplomatic shifts, staying several steps ahead of rivals. Intelligence would shift from spies in alleys to AI analyzing global communications, financial flows, and satellite movements, detecting threats and opportunities in real time. Mastery of public image finds a home in social media. She understood branding. Instagram, TikTok, global media, speeches become masterclasses and state dinners go viral. Deepfake tech used for diplomacy, personalized messages to world leaders in their languages, building unprecedented rapport. But the dark side is not lost on her. The same AI could become mass surveillance, a digital panopticon. Temptation to silence dissent and consolidate control would be immense. Target of cyber attacks, disinformation, stolen accounts, and server breaches. Constant digital warfare. One line of malicious code as dangerous as a Roman legion. Leonardo da Vinci was a man whose curiosity was, honestly, just boundless. A force of nature in human form. He was not just the painter of the Mona Lisa, the Last Supper. He was an anatomist, an engineer, an architect, a musician, and a scientist. His notebooks are a breathtaking testament to a mind that leaped effortlessly between disciplines. His genius lay in his ability to see the interconnectedness of all things. In our modern world, AI and computational tools would be the ultimate extensions of his mind. He would use generative AI not to replace his artistry but to explore infinite variations of his compositions. He would employ advanced 3D modeling software and robotic arms to finally build his flying machines. Mechanical lions, intricate bridges, ideas become prototypes. He could use AI to analyze his anatomical drawings against modern medical scans, refining understanding to the cellular level. Every field he touched would be revolutionized. Leonardo's insatiable curiosity would lead him straight to the internet, the ultimate library. He would spend his days diving down rabbit holes of information. Quantum physics in the morning, genetic engineering in the afternoon, composing with AI at night. He would use YouTube and Instagram to teach techniques and inspire new polymaths. Yet the barrage of notifications and demand for instant content could frustrate him. He might fear we were losing our connection to the tangible reality he loved. Placing these giants in our AI-driven world forces us to confront fundamental questions about our time. Galileo teaches evidence and critical thinking. Cleopatra warns of power concentrated by tech. Leonardo shows the creative potential and the need for focus. We need a new social contract, privacy, autonomy, ethics, to ensure AI serves people, not just the powerful.
The future is our canvas. What will we create?